Do you know Mt.Hakuba, a wonderful mountain in Nagano Prefecture? Today, we would like to share about Mt.Hakuba, which we climbed this summer.
We took a gondola and ropeway from Tsurage to shortcut the altitude. So here we were already at 1,829 meters. We headed to Hakuba Oike, where we stayed at 2,380 meters. It took about 5 hours to reach Hakuba Oike. It was hard work because of the heavy luggage, but we did our best. Hakuba Oike is a beautiful campground with a large pond. We set up our tent here as base camp. Dinner on the first day is yakiniku. It was so yummy. Water is very precious in mountain campgrounds. We use water from a tank that collects water from the pond. There is no sewage system, so you cannot wash dish. We put a little hot water in the dish. We use liquid, wipe it clean, and use it over and over again. Is it that eco-friendly? Day 2, we attacked Mount Hakuba. We went over 2 mountains to Hakuba. It was so hot. Finally, we reached Mt.Hakuba. There is a restaurant called Sky Plaza near the top. We had lunch there. I had oden and chocolate cake. It was great. Back at base camp, we toasted with Coke. Day 3, we packed up our tent at the base camp and headed down the mountain. There are a lot of big rocks, so it was important to keep your balance. I am good at balancing, so it was a lot of fun. Soft ice cream after coming down from the mountain. It was the best.